All right, we are in Padugua area and we are heading to North Bali today. So exciting day. But meanwhile, we stop in the one market in Padugua.
Yeah, it's quite a long trip from Sanur here. It's just about 1.5 hour or 1 hour, honey?
Yeah,
kind
it's
of like
one and a half hour already and another 1.5 hour to go. So yeah, we're gonna show you how it looks the situation in the market and maybe we're gonna buy something.
Okay, so this Candi Kuning market is famous for the vegetables, fruits that can grow in Bedugul. So it's very fresh, and also, you know, they grow some organic vegetables here. And we are thinking to buy maybe strawberries or something along the way. Yeah, like this one. What is it called? The fresh vegetables. So beautiful. Okay, so we are thinking to buy strawberries. Look at this one, fresh strawberries. Nice. Very nice.
And the baby carrot. Baby carrot.
Nice.
Nice. Many nice places.
And me, baby doll.
All right, so we are buying 1 kilogram of lovely strawberries from these lovely ladies around.
Yeah, so it's just about 30k per kg.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if I buy in Denpasar, probably around 50 or 60 per kg. Nggak usah Bu, itu aja.
So that's how it looks, the market. On this side you can see the fruit, veg, actually very nice, fresh. There are even some tourists at the front I can see. And here is the plant section if you want to buy some flowers or I don't know, some things like this, greens, thingy.
And also cactus come.
What?
Cactus, they have a cactus here.
Cactus. Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice cactus.
Yeah. Very nice.
All right, we got already the strawberries as you see, full 1 kg. There are still flowers, looking for some corn, peanut, and I don't know what. But this section is on the street, so here we go. But by the way, very nice, nice flowers here also. And here are already ladies selling other goodies. So this is the main street, and here are the ladies with the corn. Kerupuk.
Nyari 2 aja. Hah? Nyari 2 aja. Sepi-sepi. Yeah. Okay, so this one I've got what is it? Markisa, and then kerupuk, and then inside is a sweet corn. So good, and also 1 kg of the strawberries. Okay, now so let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Makasih.
Thank you, Tuku. All right, guys, at the front is famous Handara gate. This is actually the entrance to the hotel, but this is also very famous photo session place, tourist attraction nowadays. I will zoom it a little bit for you, but usually so many people, but now it's quiet. And also there is the ticket box office. You have to pay ticket if you want to enter. All right, we are in the Wanagiri direction right now.
Yeah, because we will head to Munduk. We have a stop first here in the famous Wanagiri. So long time ago, this Wanagiri is famous, you know, with the pictures, taking picture overview, looking the, what is it, the lakes. So this place, long time ago, you see, it's famous for the selfie spot, taking picture, you know, with overview with the lake. But nowadays, unfortunately, it's closed.
Unfortunately, temporarily closed. Already for about 1.5 years, but yeah, still unfortunately closed. And that was actually a beautiful place. I believe many of you guys who ever been in Bali and this area, you had a picture in the something like this, facing the beautiful lake. However, during current situations, almost everything unfortunately is just simply closed. There are only few cars here. Here's some warung over there or something.
Okay, so this place also a rest area nowadays. You see that small gazebo, and also there is the bakso sellers and also selling coffee now. So it's beautiful place to stop, facing the lake and having a snack or lunch here. With the weather is cold. For me, I already feel cold. Oh, look at this monkey king is coming to me.
Yo, what's up?
Oh.
All right. The people get scared also. Here we go. Action. The monkey wanna have a banana. And maybe coffee.
Maybe he just wanna have a coffee. Okay, so this Wanagiri area also famous for the hydrangea flowers. I really like the flowers. Halo guys. So I want to buy these flowers. It's a good color. It's beautiful. It's just 5K. Sukses ya. The seller is a small boy. So yeah, I will put later on in the flash. So nice.
Yeah.
Love it.
And I think this is their house also. So little bit of local support, right? Even small thing, but always. All right, so it's the coffee time and maybe some light lunch. We are in the very nice place in the Munduk. That's the Munduk area already.
We decided to stop here and to have a coffee break. And then I think it's lunchtime. And yeah, this is one of our favorite place to have a coffee in Munduk because we feel like we are in above the cloud.
Yeah, and it's actually quite cold here. I forgot my jacket. How you feel?
Yeah,
it's
very cold. Okay. The place is cozy. They have many sittings.
Hello.
And then can you feel it already? Like the cloud coming.
Yeah, the cloud is coming actually inside the building. That's cool,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, it's beautiful place, and this area Munduk area is famous for the clove tree. You see, surrounded here is the clove tree or cengkeh, and I think that this is the only one in the place in Bali that where the clove tree is growing so well.
All right. I think this is my coffee over here. Yes, did I scare you? Sorry about that, but I wanna show my beautiful coffee. Okay. And yeah, that's how it looks, the place. Not so busy yet, but very cozy indeed. Yes, sir?
Yeah, they also have a coffee galleries, and then
There is another wing. Quite nice paintings, by the way. And yeah, it's very, very cloudy.
yeah, this area, Munduk area, is also famous for the coffee. I don't know, it is Robusta or Arabica coffee. You see over there is the coffee plantation. It's beautiful. There behind me, there also coffee plantation and clove trees. And also that's the hydrangea flowers. Okay, the weather also said that if the weather is very clear, even you can see that the Menjangan Island from here. And yeah, it's very beautiful because we are in about, I don't know how many thousand.
1,300 kilometers above the sea level, so this is actually quite high. And the temperature also is quite higher.
Yeah.
Higher here, but it's so beautiful. All right, our coffee arrived, like I showed you before. How is the coffee, Sayang? Sayang already is trying. How is
So
it?
good.
And
With the view of Munduk area, and then with the weather like this, look at the pisang goreng and the pizza, Hawaiian pizza, Damian craving for pizza, and I am a big fan of pisang goreng.
But honestly, this pisang goreng is really one of the best in Bali
my
so
God.
far.
And then this one with the brown sugar. Sorry, I already bite it a bit. I cannot resist. I mean, like,
It's okay.
This one.
Smacznego.
Dziękuję. Oh, look at the way how you eat pisang goreng.
Yeah, as you maybe notice, I start eating pisang goreng over the pizza today, so that means something. The best pisang goreng in Bali so far. And yeah, we are going to North Bali. Meanwhile, that's it for today's vlog. And like always, thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya. Take care, guys.